If you've made it this far in the series, and that is amazing, by the way, you should already know selling to technical buyers isn't about persuasion, it's about proof. Proof that you understand their problems, proof that your product works the way you say it does, and proof that you are worth trusting with real technical complexity. But here's the challenge. Creating that kind of content takes time, experience, and a level of technical fluency that most internal teams just don't have. That's where Edify Content comes in. Let's talk about why. Number one, you need writers who understand the technical buyer's journey. I spent 20 years as a technical decision maker in enterprise software. I've managed 7-figure vendor contracts, I've led months-long POC evaluations, and I've personally reviewed API docs, security questionnaires, and case studies before greenlighting a deal. I've also been on the other side as a seller to large companies and enterprises, working with compliance and security teams, filling in those questionnaires, providing API docs and case studies, and flying all over the country as a sales engineer. That's the lens that we bring to content. We don't write like marketers. We write like the people you're trying to win over. That sixth sense for marketing fluff that all these technology people have, we have it too. We don't put anything out that we read and go, not very good. Number two, you need an embedded content team, not more overhead. Most of our clients, they just don't have time to manage another agency. They just need someone who already gets it. With Edify, you're getting a technical content engine that plugs directly into your strategy. We jump into Slack, we become part of your team, we work with you. We're an extension of your company. We're not just some agency that you throw, black box model or whatever. We don't need weeks of onboarding, we don't need hand-holding, we just need access to your SMEs and a clear sense of your buyer, and hopefully some sort of sales strategy. Then we handle the rest. We do all the research, the interviews, the drafts, approvals, updates, everything. No headcount on your team, no hiring, no wondering whether your writers actually understand what a reverse proxy or a webhook actually is. Just good old-fashioned tech content written by people who know what the heck your product does and aspires to be. Number three, you need a team that can deliver. So let's make this concrete. Here's the kind of work we do for B2B SaaS and infrastructure companies. Deep dive technical blog posts, case studies that go beyond the client is happy, product walkthroughs that show, not tell, competitive comparisons with real benchmarks, architecture diagrams and implementation guides, and those process diagrams, it's simple stuff that tech people need. We do sales enablement materials for SEs and AEs. We write email copy and landing pages that don't read like marketing. We can write any page on your website. We know how all of this stuff works, SEO, all of that. So everything we build is to help your buyers self-educate and move faster, without needing to get your best engineers on yet another Zoom call that's just a repeat of the first call your salesperson had, but couldn't answer the prospect's questions. Number four, you need speed and precision. Our clients aren't trying to churn out fluffy content for traffic. They're trying to equip buyers and enable sales and close faster. That means your content has to be accurate, timely, and usable for real-world conversations. We don't produce blogs. We help you build and execute on a content strategy. All right, so if you've watched this series and thought, yeah, I know we should be doing this, we just don't have the time or the team to make it happen, you are exactly who we built Edify for. Whether you're a one-person marketing team just pulling out your hair every day, or you've got a team of writers who can maybe write code but not a story, you need to talk to us. So you can either email me directly at anthony@edifycontent.com, or just go to our website at edifycontent.com, learn more, click the contact button, all that stuff. We will show you how to build buyer-aligned content engines that help you win more deals with zero additional headcount.